Okay, today we are making vegan vegetable sushi rolls. So here's the ingredients we will be using today. The sushi nori seaweed wraps, they come in flat sheets. I bought these at Target. Not a paid promotion for Target. I'm sure you can find them other places as well. So first, I'm going to make some jasmine rice, about 1.5 cups in the rice cooker. Doesn't take very long. While the rice is cooking, we'll prepare our other ingredients. So first I'm going to make 2 sauces to go with these vegan sushi rolls. The first sauce is just a simple low sodium soy sauce. My girls like that. The second sauce, I'm going to use vegan mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. Again, your personal preference, you might like some other type of sauce. There's lots of sauces out there you can make yourself or buy in the store ready-made. These are just the 2 sauces that we like in my house. And then I'll set these aside. And these little applesauce cups are great to upcycle. So we wash out the applesauce cups and reuse them for moments like this. Okay, so now we'll cut up our vegetables. We're using baby carrots, cucumber, avocado, and green cabbage. You could use other vegetables. These also do well if you chop up some green onion in these. I didn't have any green onion today. And you can peel the skin off the cucumber if you don't like the skin. And you don't even have to scrape out the seeds if you don't want to. You can leave the seeds in. And the idea is I'm just trying to cut everything in really fine, thin slices. Pretty straightforward. And just be careful you don't cut yourself with a knife. Then we'll do the avocado. This one looks pretty good. We'll just peel the skin off. And then we'll slice the avocado up into thin little strips as well. Yeah, glass cutting boards like this aren't the best for your knife. There's a risk they can dull your knife over time, so just FYI. You might want to use like a bamboo cutting board instead. But I'm using what I got. Now we're going to wash and cut up some of the green cabbage. Again, in this thin strips, little slices. You can do it long ways like this, or you can roll up the cabbage and then chop it up. I find that's actually a little bit easier. It's up to you. Okay, our rice is done. I'm going to open the package. You can see they're just flat seaweed sheets. They are delicate, so you just kind of got to be careful when you're handling them. There's a smooth side and a rough side. I honestly do not know if that makes a difference. I'm sure someone in the comments could let me know if it does make a difference to use a smooth or rough side. And you want your rice to be nice and soft and sticky. That's kind of the key to this. And again, this is jasmine rice. You want to leave about an inch of free space on one end of the sushi sheet. So you notice on the very top there, I'm not putting any rice up there. And this bamboo mat just helps aid in rolling and compressing the sushi rolls. And it's going to line up our vegetables on top of the rice now. And these little bamboo mats work great to help you roll up the roll. Sometimes it's easier for me just to roll it up by hand like this, and then put a little bit of water on the very end to help it stick. Then use a bamboo mat to kind of compress it and squeeze it tighter. And you want to do that so you can cut it nicely and it doesn't fall apart when you cut it. Now we'll unroll it so you can see what I'm talking about. And then get a nice sharp knife and gently cut it. I hope you found this video helpful. And there's a finished product. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.